Am I gonna get a new bag? I've never worn my bag like this. I find that it just sits far too low on my silhouette. The stitching is just really great. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm actually really excited because I didn't realize until I was looking back at my older videos that it's been over a year since I purchased the Louis Vuitton Loop Bag, which still looks in such amazing condition. I want to say I got this, what was it, April? I got this bag a year and 5 months ago, and I wanted to touch on an updated review, how it's kind of held up with the wear and tear a year plus later, and how I actually feel about it since purchasing it, because it is not cheap, okay? It comes with a hefty price tag, and it is such a unique shape and silhouette, so I kind of wanted to give this an honest review after using it for over a year. So if you guys are interested in more fashion videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up this video, and of course subscribe. I want to get back into doing more beauty and fashion content for you guys. I really missed it, I think because fall is around the corner. It's basically here. I just get so excited about the fashion stuff. I feel like you can actually get cute and wear layers without feeling like you're burning up in the heat and the humidity. So let's just go through an overview. I do have my stuff in here because this is my everyday bag. The way that I wear this bag every day, and I've worn this bag every day, makes me feel like it is absolutely worth it for me. For me personally, this bag, and I've always said this, is for the girl that really carries the bare essentials: your phone, wallet, and lip gloss and keys. Baby, that's about it, because it doesn't fit a whole lot, but it will be surprising to you if you kind of maneuver things around. You can kind of fit a whole camera in there, but I'm using it right now, along with your other essentials. So this is a crescent moon shape. I think it's super cute and unique. I've never actually seen someone in person with this bag. I've seen it all over Pinterest and some Instagram girlies, but in person I've never actually seen someone else with this bag. So I would say it's pretty unique for like Louis Vuitton silhouettes. You do get an outer pocket here with an LV pull tab, and then it also goes into a high cut on this side. All of this is a nice vachetta leather. You also get with this bag detachable straps. I do have a claw clip on here because I'm probably going to use it today. So you could take off this strap, which is a chain, but you could also take off this longer strap. And what I loved about this is it is completely adjustable. I like to wear this as a crossbody on this setting, like the medium setting. So if you unsnap these, and let's say you don't even snap it at all, you can get a much longer strap length if you're a taller girl or you want your bag to hang a lot lower. I'll just show you where that hits me. I've never worn my bag like this. I find that it just sits far too low on my silhouette. So that would be like the longer setting, and then you could also adjust this strap to go on the shorter setting. And there's little buttons here. So I like that it's very customizable. I do find myself wearing it with this strap the most. So you can make it a longer drop shoulder length, which I think is also really cute. I do think this hits me at an awkward length, so I prefer to wear this strap on the medium setting because that's how I feel the most secure with my bag, not dangling around. And also I can wear it as a chest bag, just like this. So that is the perfect length for me. I'm 5'6", no torso for reference. So I love that you can customize the strap so many different ways. You can also take this vachetta strap off, and I feel like it does make it more casual when you wear it this way. And if you want to really dress up your outfit for the evening time, taking it off and just wearing it by the chain is so cute. Like, this is what I'll do for like a dinner date or something like that. I feel like it just sits and falls at the perfect place. and it doesn't get too heavy, so the strap never has to dig in to your shoulder. Love the strap features. That's why this has been such a go-to bag for me personally. So as far as what fits in this bag, is it actually practical for the everyday girl? Again, it just depends on you as a person and what you deem as your essentials when leaving the house day to day. So I find that this outer pocket is actually really useful for putting smaller items, like my go-to lip balm, so I'm not having to shuffle through everything in the main compartment. So I have quite a bit in here, believe it or not. I have quite a bit of stuff in here that I just keep all the time. So I have a Carmex essential because it's winter. I also have this, I was looking for this, Sunday Fridays lip butter balm. It's so good. It's in their sweet mint. So good. Tastes good, smells good. These little perfume samples will save you if you are a girl that likes to bring a perfume with you everywhere that you go. You really can't fit a big bottle of perfume in this bag unless you get like one of these smaller perfume sizes, but even then these take up so much space. So I have like this little sample from Louis Vuitton. I love this scent, side note, would love to pick it up. It's the Dancing Blossoms, so good for the nighttime. So I always keep this in here whenever I want to touch up for the evening. And then the last thing I have is a really small lip pencil that is basically unusable, but it fits in my bag and it does what I need it to do when I need to touch up. So all of these items, a lot of lip products, fit surprisingly in this pocket below. I wouldn't put anything bulky like a card case or anything like that because it might actually stretch out the canvas, but it does also bulge into the main compartment. So whatever you put in there, try not to make it so bulky because it's going to take away the amount of stuff that you can fit inside the main thing. So the zipper pull has definitely loosened up since picking this bag up. I know when I first got it, because it's such an odd round shape, it was kind of stiff, but with Louis Vuitton zipper pulls, they are top tier quality and they always soften up over time and they become even more smooth. And it is the smoothest zipper pull that I have. Like, listen to this. It's also a tiny zipper pull, so keep that in mind. Yeah, it's so satisfying. So it definitely took a couple months and multiple uses for me to kind of loosen up that area, and it is flawless. Like, they really know what they're doing with their zippers at Louis Vuitton. So my bag has basically all my essentials aside from my vlogging camera. So I think when you pack your bag, it's kind of like Tetris. You have to put the biggest things towards the middle and then build the smaller things around the sides, like here and then in the back. So I just have a receipt. I do have my card case. This is a perfect size if you need to just bring your essentials. I'm sorry, but a big old wallet is going to be taking up the whole space. So getting a small card holder is going to be flawless. And I have had this card case, I want to say, since 2013. Yeah, the little chain thing broke off, but baby, this is the only wallet I've ever had, and it does increase over time with Louis Vuitton, but it is also worth the price. The zipper pull on this, flawless. So go get you one of those if you're looking for a good quality card case. Not 11 years old, okay? So next I have some AirPods in here. I don't bring these with me everywhere. Whenever I run errands, I do like to kind of have these with me, or whenever I'm going to the gym, whatever. So they do fit AirPods in the side area. I find that those smaller things really fit in the bag with ease. Just as a lipstick, so I have my daily lipstick in here. I have a lot of lip products in my bag. Not necessary, but yeah, you just never know when you need to touch it up. I love MAC lipsticks. Anyone else still use these? Not another lip product. A lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I always touch up my lip gloss. This is a Dior Lip Maximizer. So again, I keep that in here. My keys are definitely an essential for me. Again, this is another Louis Vuitton piece. I would say this is more on the bulky side, but I do love this because it protects my keys from scratching up the majority of the lining of the bag. Granted, my car key does not fit in here, but this is the 4-ring key holder. I keep a little screwdriver for my camera, some keys on here, my gym thingy. So really cute. This definitely shows the most wear and tear if I'm updating you guys on Louis Vuitton but I've also had this for many years. But it's just a great way to conceal all of your keys. So yeah, these two are definitely my essentials. And finally is my phone, which most people, this is going to be our largest device. This is a 13 Plus iPhone, so it is on the larger scale. So if you just put this in first and you make sure that it sits in the middle, then you're able to pack your bag with everything else around it, like I had just mentioned. So these items go in and out with ease. If you stuff it too much, it might be harder for you to grab those items that you're looking for, because you're gonna have to take everything out essentially to get to them. But I just pack them all around each other, and it's usually the best way to go. So I mean, it fits a lot, like I was saying. So I definitely think this is a great bag. It's surprisingly small, but it fits a lot, again, especially with this outer pocket, making it more convenient to store those things that you use and reach for the most. So I don't even think it looks bulky with all of those pieces that I just took out. So that is basically my thoughts on what fits in the bag. As far as like the leather and stuff, because this was already pre-treated vachetta leather, so meaning it didn't have to darken over time. Usually bags would come with super pale vachetta and you would have to get wear and tear, have your oils and the environment kind of darken it. It was already pre-treated, so it's supposed to not show watermarks and all of that stuff and get uneven. So for the most part, it looks fine until you get up close. I think that's when you'll be able to see that it's kind of dirty. I don't know if it's dirt or if maybe it is water spots. I'm never too cautious about this bag when it comes to me wearing it in the rain. I am more mindful, of course, but I don't feel like I have to baby this bag. So I do think that makes this a pro. The stitching is just really great, like in this region as well, and all the little rivets with the Louis Vuitton detail I think really makes this bag super cute and a little piece of extra luxury. All my stitching is still in great condition here over time, and then of course the piping as well hasn't really shown much wear and tear. It could look a little like wonky depending on what you're putting in your bag, especially the zipper pull if you overstuff it, so just be mindful of that. But other than those things, like, I really don't think there's anything negative, honestly, I could say about this bag. I do have some wear and tear, some darkening on the vachetta here, and that's probably just from the D-ring moving around. But baby, I wear this bag every day and I will continue to wear this bag every day. It's just such a good grab and go style bag. It could be dressy, it could be casual, it fits all the basics and then some. And I can, like I said, fit my vlog in here if I don't have my AirPods and a lipstick. I'll take a picture of my bag. Oh, how am I gonna do that with my phone? I will link you guys to my initial unboxing on the Louis Vuitton Loop bag, as well as the other update that I did after using it a little while into it, like my what's in my bag video, I think. So definitely check those out if you guys are interested. Am I gonna get a new bag? I don't think so. Not this year at least, because I just feel like this is still one of my go-tos that I could not imagine not reaching for this, and also savings. I don't need a new bag at this current point in time. Like, this one has really served me well, and I feel as though it will continue to serve my needs for the next year. Like, it's just great. Little bags, shoulder bags are so in trend, and I just feel like this is the best bag that Louis has. Don't at me. So subscribe, and I'll see you girls next time. Bye.